Hi there, this is Monkey from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website Tech Demand. And I'm on a home page. I really like that you're showing your one of your products, or at least you're showing what kind of niche you are specializing. So obviously phone accessories. You've got a tagline, call to action, obviously linked to your collection. So this is perfect, very nicely organized top navigation as well. So this is nice. I'm not sure if it should be a and symbol or dollar symbol. So think about maybe it needs changing. Your domain authority and page authority are one. So obviously you are just starting. You haven't got any backlinks, so make sure to work on these. I noticed your page title, so meta title and meta description are a little bit too generic. So think about perhaps optimizing them a little bit better to stand out in the search results. H1 tag for some reason displays image file instead of the keyword. So think about checking the tagline, because H1 tag is quite important for Google and for the search engines. The H1 tag really helps Google understand what the content is about. So it seems like this coding is not inserted properly. Okay, so I can see the featured product. So this is quite nice. Okay, so you've got general niche, you've got DIY collection. Okay, very nice. Think about writing unique refund policy. It will help you avoid mentioning products you're not selling, and obviously avoid you can confuse your customers. Collection page looks great, which is nice. So this is really nice. Okay, you've got add to cart above default. I would write unique product descriptions that can also help you improve your sales further. Your SEO score is 55 out of 100, which is quite nice. As I mentioned, there's no H1 tag, and other tags are also missing. I would work on better content consistency to rank for your target keywords. And also consider adding more written content. Make sure to optimize each of the images with SEO-friendly alt tags, and also optimize your URLs so they're more SEO-friendly, shorter, and more descriptive as well. You've got a number of broken links, so think about fixing them and optimizing them, because they can also affect your sell and conversion rate. And if you like this video, please make sure to write a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. And if you'd like to speak to Shopify expert, feel free to book a free chat. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.